Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting with the old well. Need 100 million on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me.
Hello! Today is December 1st. We are starting Vlogmas, but part of Vlogmas is the Sleigh Slim Down. So I wanted to check in with you guys. I am officially 10 pounds down in 2 weeks and 7.5 inches. I know I announced that at the end of the last vlog series, but wanted to reiterate. We were actually only like 7 pounds down at the end of the last vlog. We've lost another 3 since then, so we are still making progress. I don't think I haven't measured since then, but I did weigh this morning, so we're losing weight. We're getting ready. I've already gotten a sponsor for the show. It looks like it's happening, people. So comment below what colored bikini I should wear for the competition. So I have lots of competitor friends. I get to look at their beautiful sparkly bikinis all the time, but your bikini is what makes you stand out, like what color it is, how it looks on you. It is a super, 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 super important of your competition. Almost as important as the hard work and dedication it's going to take to get up on that stage. So leave me in the comments below what color bikini you think I should compete in and what would look the best on my skin tone. The show that we are planning on is in February, so my hair will probably still be dark, but it literally went from red to black in 1 day, so we'll see. But as of right now, dark hair, you get a major spray tan, so my olive skin I have a olive base. I'm actually very white right now because my mother was German, and so in the winter I am very white, but I do have a olive or yellow base to my skin. So let me know. That's a whole lot just to say. Drop it in the comments what color bikini I should wear. Okay, love you, bye.
Go ahead and shut the door. It's Vlogmas. It's 6 a.m. I edited this, but I forgot to edit it again because we have a video for Vlogmas. I've lost my weight. Really shouldn't. Loaded. guys, that's it for this week's Sleigh Slim Down. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys would like to start seeing me putting my food in, please let me know, drop it in the comments below. I will definitely start showing you what I'm eating for prep. It is a lot of chicken, rice, lean ground beef once a day, and protein shakes. So if y'all want to see it, let me know. It's not the most pretty thing in the world, but I can start including it. I hope that workout was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you guys are liking the workouts. I'm feeling good about putting it in. I've got to show you working out anyway, so I might as well give you what I'm doing. Tip like it.